Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Step 2 climbers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Step 2 Climber. It is ideal for engaging social play with multiple children. The spacious design of this climber has many ways to play. The shoot hoops with the built-in basket and included ball keeping score with convenient clickable knobs on the side. You can play a game of kickball or soccer with the crawlspace under the platform, which doubles as a soccer goal too. This little athletes can also take turns climbing onto the platform using the ladder and molded in grips on either side, then take the slide back down to turn around and climb all over again. The crawlspace under the platform doubles as a soccer goal and crawling tunnel. It can also be an outdoor toy storage solution and a great new spot for hide and seek. At number 3 we have Step 2 Climber. The Step 2 Play Ball Fun Climber provides a never-ending adventure for your little ones. It allows toddlers and preschoolers to enhance their gross motor skills as they climb, slide and crawl through the playset. And develop their sensory skills by grabbing and squeezing the play balls as they throw them through the activity center. The play balls can enhance cognitive skills as children pair the balls by color and count them as they go through the maze. This climber challenges both fine and gross motor skills with the climber play and ball drop wall. At number 2 we have Step 2 Climber. This kids' outdoor activity set is ideal for climbing adventures for your little explorer. It is complete with 2 climbing walls, slide platform and steering wheels. This climber challenges gross and fine motor skills. The more kids play climbing and sliding, the more physical activity they'll get. Plus the natural colors and realistic textures blend beautifully into any backyard play space. Its maximum weight is 240 pounds. At number 1 we have Step 2 Climber. It is designed with 4 unique climbing surfaces to give children a variety of challenges. It features 2 climbing cargo nets, 1 floor net and 9 grips. Your child can peek out a hole at the peak of the summit. The realistic off-road safari vehicle design with oversized wheels, neutral safari-themed colors, rugged front grille with headlight decals and open rooftop. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Step 2 climbers for your need.